my minkies, today we are going to be cooking neck bones. Guys, smothered neck bones. That is one of my favorite meals. My family loves these meals. Like, they love them some rice and gravy with some good meat, guys. So we are going to be cooking these neck bones right now. I didn't already started. I didn't clean the neck bones already, so don't worry about the cleaning part, guys. So now we're gonna go ahead and season. Now I got my Creole seasoning right here. You can use Creole seasoning, whatever seasoning you like to use. It's totally up to you. I think I'm gonna do one session of seasoning on this one, guys. Meaning I'm gonna season it one time before I start cooking it, and then towards the end. So we're gonna go ahead and put out some cayenne pepper in here, some garlic powder, and y'all know, if y'all know Mink loves to season. Baby, I will season the heck out of some food. So we're gonna put some Montreal steak seasoning in here as well. Now I added I don't know if I just told y'all garlic. It was garlic powder and onion powder. Now it is Montreal seasoning, and we just season that up, guys. Montreal seasoning has a lot of salt in it, so you don't want to put too much. So we're gonna go ahead and mix that in here. Just mix that up. Let that seasoning set in there, guys. You want to try to make sure the seasoning is everywhere on all of the pieces of meat. Okay, so that's my one session of seasoning. That's why I said one, guys, because the only time I'm gonna season again is towards the end, when it's almost finished cooking, because some of that seasoning, you know, gets off of the meat. That's the reason why I season towards the end, when it's almost finished cooking too. So we got this all seasoned up, and we are going to put our pot on the stove. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and put our meat in our pot. I already heated the pot. Sorry for it being so loud, guys. Okay, we're gonna stir that up in a minute. Kind of let that brown. How is your day going, guys? If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Check out my videos, guys. I got so many cooking videos. I got other things on my channel as well, about hair, beauty, product reviews, snack reviews. Guys, check out my videos if you got time. Also like this video if you are enjoying. Okay, so we're gonna just let that kind of brown just a little bit, guys. How is your day going? Today is Saturday, guys, and I'm cooking this. I don't know when this video will be up. Sometime next week it'll be up for you guys. How is y'all handling the flu? Guys, my son and my husband has the flu, guys. It must be going around so bad, because I also seen one of my YT sisters got the flu, her and her family as well. And I'm like, it must be going around like really bad, because when I brought my son to the doctor, they said the whole high school, like, it's just, it's really bad. And I'm just like, okay, I did not know that the flu was going around so bad at my son's high school. Had I have known that, maybe I could have took some type of precaution, or, tell him to make sure he does this or does that. But how are we supposed to know? We found out from the doctor, not from the school. It's crazy. By that time it's too late. It didn't spread it so much. And I found out that it started spreading, at my son's high school from the homecoming dance or something like that. And I'm like, how in the world did that happen? I'm guessing from the food. I'm not sure, guys. We're gonna go ahead and stir that. From the food, it's just, a lot of things are getting so easily contaminated. Like, it's just, I don't know, maybe it's just me, but it ain't used to be this bad. But if you ain't got a cold, you got the flu. If you ain't got the flu, you got monkeypox. It's all kind of stuff. Like, we can't catch a break. It's crazy. I mean, let me know, guys. How is it in your area? Is it that bad? Like, it's crazy. Thankfully, we don't have the monkeypox, bad out here now. I could be saying that, and it could be all around my area, and I don't even know it, because they don't say nothing. They don't say nothing until it start getting bad, and that is like really, really horrible, because people need to protect themselves. Seriously. But I don't know, guys. It's a lot. It's really a lot. But I hope you guys are staying safe. I hope you all are well and healthy. Protect yourselves, guys. Make sure y'all are disinfecting your homes. Making sure that you keeping an eye on symptoms. That was another thing. It's kind of hard to tell, what. It's kind of hard to tell, like, what if your child has, a cold, or if he has the flu. I could not tell. I really thought it was like a common cold. And then on top of that, my son has allergies as well. So it's kind of hard to tell. We in allergy season, guys. Allergy season. Then you got cold, flu, all that. Like, it's hard to tell which one is which, and you don't want to keep going to the doctor over and over and over and over and over every little bitty thing. So I had to, just keep an eye on my son, and I had to make sure he's taking the, precautions and everything like that. Of course, I got to take care of both him and my husband. Also, it's just a lot, guys. It's just a lot, but we getting through that, and they are getting well, and I'm so happy for that. Thanks be to God. So y'all keep yourself well out there. We're gonna go ahead and let this brown, and we will be back, guys. Okay, guys, we're gonna go ahead and stir this up because it's getting brown, guys. I wanted to continue by saying that if you feel like you are sick, guys, it's kind of tricky. Just don't think that you always have a cold. Like, kind of make sure you somehow watch your symptoms, because my husband thought that it was a common cold, and the whole time it was the flu, and he caught pneumonia. It's just this cough he had. It was just really bad. So just keep an eye on that, guys, because it's going around. And like my sis says, her channel name, but I'll put it up here. Like she says, guys, it's going around really bad. It's kind of early this time of the year, so you want to make sure that you are keeping an eye out for that, because it's getting really, really, really bad. And her family had it or has it. You know, I think her daughter is getting over it, her husband is, but she has it now. So just be on the lookout for that, guys. She is not lying about that. It is really bad right now. So we're gonna go ahead and let that brown some more. I just stirred it, so I'll be back, guys. Okay, guys, it's getting brown enough to me, so kind of stir it up one more time, and we're gonna go ahead and put our gravy mixture in here. Give me a second. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and put our gravy mixture in here, which is mixed with water, all-purpose flour, and kitchen bouquet, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and pour that in here. It all depends on how much you're cooking, on how much you have to put in here. If you want the recipe, please let me know. I could give y'all the recipe, or I can post the video on how to make this concoction. But you seen the white stuff towards the end when I was pouring out. That's some chunks of the flour that is gonna dissolve in there, guys, so don't worry about that. So we're gonna pour the rest with water to cover the meat. Maybe one more cup, guys. Not even that, probably half of a cup. You don't want to cover it too much, and that should be good right there. So we're gonna go ahead and let that smother down, and we will be back. Hey guys, you want to add your onion, bell peppers, green onions. I think I'm gonna just add the onions and bell peppers and some garlic, guys, to this, because I don't know if I have some green onions. I have to check. If I do, I'll add some. If I don't, it's just gonna be the onion and bell peppers. So hey guys, how you doing? Let's get back to cutting the onions and bell peppers, guys. Okay, I added my onion and bell peppers in here, and I'm gonna stir that into this mixture, guys. You just want to make sure it's like all throughout there. Y'all make sure y'all have some tea on hand, like that honey and garlic and stuff, and turmeric, and what else, ginger. All that, guys, is very helpful in this this sick season, allergy season. So just make sure y'all have that on hand, guys. Oranges and stuff, it comes in handy. So we're gonna go ahead and let that cook down, and I will be back, guys. All right, we're gonna season one more time, guys, because we are almost done here. So we're gonna put a little bit of Montreal seasoning in here, a little bit of cayenne pepper, not much. Okay, and a little bit of Creole seasoning, and stir that up because we are almost done here. Look at that gravy, guys. That's how you know you're almost done. You just want to make sure all those seasonings is in that gravy too, and on the meat. And I'll be back whenever it's done, guys. There we have it, smothered neck bones. Look at that, with rice and gravy and cream sweet corn. Look at them neck bones, guys. Ooh, yummy. We're gonna take a bite. Look at that. Look at that gravy. Ooh. Hey guys, let's take a bite of these neck bones. Look at that. Y'all want a bite? Here y'all go. Let's see. Alright guys, that was a piece of bone. This was really good. Delicious. Really good, guys. Y'all got to get this neck bone recipe. I love it. Delicious. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to check out my other videos coming up next, guys. And also subscribe to my channel. Hit that like button if you love this video. And comment down below, what would you like for me to make next? Bye bye, my minkies. Thanks for watching.